Hello and welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to be doing another grow room tour because there's a lot of stuff happening, from the hydroponics being redone to cleaning a lot of the floor, getting ready to go ahead and install the fish tank and the all sorts of stuff like that. And Black Friday is coming up next week, so I think today would be a very good day to kind of talk about the type of just what we're planning to do, what we're planning to do. So before we start, please subscribe, hit the bell notification on all so you do not miss another video, and please like this video. Let's gonna start today's video. Okay, immediately starting over here, we have a lot happening. What's weird is it smells like cilantro, and we don't have any cilantro actually starting to turn into cilantro. That's the only thing that is involved with cilantro. And yeah, so we do have a ton of stuff growing. So we have a ton of lettuce growing. We have a ton of oregano growing. To be honest, we'll probably just get rid of this and just buy a lot more new seeds and just start from scratch and try to do even better. Our basil is doing phenomenal. I'm so excited to just work with this a lot more. Then down here, we have parsley. The parsley is looking really good. We have the new lavender, which will take a lot more time to sprout. Then we have just the older lavender, but that is doing phenomenal. Then over here, we have all the carrots. Those are doing really good. Then we have the onions and we have the radishes. Those are doing awesome too. And then down here, we have a ton of strawberries. I am planning to put those in the hydroponics too once we start getting them more. Then over here, we have a ton of new flowers. We have Morning Glories Cosmos, and that's a new variety I'm starting. Then we have basil. I'm doing a lot of testing with this to see just how it reacts when it has way too much water. And so far, I thought it was going to die, but it looks like it's starting to become resistant against the amount of water kind of being designed like it's in a rainforest or something, because that looks really good. Those leaves don't look amazing, but hopefully the plants can recover. Maybe. That middle one was bigger when it was installed and just planted and stuff like that. I really wish I kind of was able to, well, I probably will, to be honest. I might try to get some more soil on that. But it is growing slowly. And yeah. So, then over here we have parsley, and then we have cilantro. The cilantro is smelling really good right now. And then we have the strawberries. These ones are doing really good. I'm really happy about that, because those over there do not look very amazing. Some of those leaves, like that one, looks pretty good. Just some here and there. But yeah. Then, now talking about the hydroponics. Like what I said at the beginning, we just cleaned a lot of this off. And just a lot of new things happening. The hydroponics have been cleaned, so we'll be putting those together. Probably not today. I did hurt my hand, kind of just strained my hand trying to take these things off the actual pipes, and I just pulled a muscle in my thumb or something. It hurts a lot, so I'll probably try to let that recover, and then I'll try to build it pretty quick. Then so we did move the shelving into tropical, so this shelf will hold the filter, and then the shelf will just hold some other things that we need for the greenhouse, for the grow room, and the fish food, the fish equipment, maybe some extra plants here and there for the fish tank, just a better climate for the fish. So I'm trying to decide what bin I should use. I have that bin. It does need to be washed a little bit, but I was thinking, you know what? I'm gonna have to fill it pretty high up with water so the fish actually have water once the pumps actually goes for a while. So I was thinking, you know what? And if I fill it to the top, the bin's gonna kind of the sides will kind of pop out a little bit, so that's not really the best for this tank. Plus it could cause water problems later on. Then we have these bins. Those bins are really big and really high quality. I would use these. The only reason is it'll cut very close to the water line. What I mean by that is when we do fill it up, the bin pretty much sits exactly the same level as when the water empties out into the actual bin. So I might have to do some designing then and see if that should work. Plus the bin is very big, so we'll see what happens. Now, I have had some questions lately about why aren't we just installing both of them to run off of Aquaponics? The thing is, I kind of going to do testing to see if Aquaponics works better than Hydroponics, and just see like, and for like 2026, if we should get rid of the Aquaponics, and just move all of it back to Hydroponics, or if I should move it, the entire system to Aquaponics. If so, I will have to get a lot more fish. The system will have to get a little bit bigger. But to be honest, the system's already really big. I had the system designed perfectly to expand a lot bigger. And yeah, really excited to start doing that. I am a little bit nervous to see if we are going to blow a fuse once we actually do turn everything else on, because I'll have to power a lot for the fish tank. I have a heater, I have a water heater to heat the fish tank. I have a ton of stuff to move around water, air pumps, all sorts of stuff. So a lot of power that we're going to start using for the system. So we'll see if we have any power problems. Plus, I'm adding a third grow light to each one. So yeah. So this is going to be the end of the video. If you guys like these types of videos, please subscribe, hit the notification on all so you do not miss another video. And please like this video. I really thank you all for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when we post next. Peace.